All right, folks, here we are. It is the 5th of June on 700 Patrol Road. And what you're looking at right here is our 405 linear feet of sanitary line. And this hole right here is where our first 36-inch diameter crock drain is going to sit. Now, the drain is set at 4 foot, but our invert elevation is going to be at 21.5 inches. So we'll start draining at 21.5 inches. Now, at the end of today, we're going to have this trench dug to the offset point. We're going to start gluing pipe and putting it in the hole and getting all the way down here, and consider Monday our backfilling. So we're going to run about 350 linear feet of pipe today. Now, the fine guys have finished up and are finishing the welding and the grinding on the gas main. It is already to the wall, ready to perforate into the occupying tenant space to the main. We're finishing up our welds, and by the end of the day today, we should be down another 300 linear feet or another 12 welds. All right, that's sanitary and gas. Sanitary next week, by Friday of next week, which is the 12th, we will have our plumbing trench poured back. We'll have a wet scrubber on site, and we will actually scrub the first bay here and get it cleaned up. We'll go after the second bay and get it cleaned up. So once the physical material starts showing up from Amaberica, we have a nice clean space. We'll be tying in floor reinforcement starting Monday. You can see the depth of these trenches. That is the second 36-inch crock, and it is going to have, sorry about that, an invert elevation somewhere around 28 inches. By the time we reach the exterior portion of the wall down there and evacuate the office, we will be somewhere around 6.5 feet, 7 feet deep. You can see in the foreground, the electrician is running his conduits up for office feeds while the work is going on in here. We have made our contacts with Vectren, and Vectren will have the gas taken care of next week, and our PSI is taken care of. This is the interior portion of where our electrical main is coming into, and this is the exterior portion of where our electric is coming into. And what you can't see is where our actual conduits are coming through. Next week we will have this backfilled. We will have the physical pad excavated, and we'll be pouring a pad next week. And so on the end of the 12th, we should be looking really good. We'll have interior concrete poured. We'll be working on the exterior concrete pads. We'll be working on MAU. We'll have all of the reinforcement taken care of for in the roof, for the stacks and our vents and our HVAC. There's some of your material that's starting to come in that we've been unloading. And for the 12th, not too bad for just a few weeks work. You all have a good one.